Hello, today. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in quantitative reasoning, we are going to be looking at addition and subtraction. Okay? Today in quantitative reasoning, our topic is addition and subtraction. Are we familiar with addition and subtraction? We are? Good. So we are with our books and our pencils to get into today's lesson, right? Okay, so first we are going to be looking at addition, okay? Addition, the sign is this sign, right? This sign is called the addition sign, or you can call it the plus sign. It's still the same, okay? So today's lesson, we are going to be learning how to use our fingers to count, okay? Let's count our right hand first and our left hand. How many fingers do we have at our right hand? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 fingers at our right hand, right? Let's count our fingers at the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 fingers at our left hand, right? So now we're going to be using our fingers to add. When we've counted our left hand and our right hand, we add them together, okay? You counted 5 fingers at your right hand and 5 fingers at your left hand, right? So you add them together. Let's add them together. You count the right first, then you continue counting with the left, okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 fingers all together, right? Let's look at some examples and use our fingers to count. 1, we have 5 plus 2. Let's count 5 with our right hand, then 2 with our left hand. Okay, let's count 5 first with our right hand. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we count 2 with our left hand. 1, 2. When you're done counting, you add them together. You count your 5 fingers at your right hand and continue with counting the 2 fingers at your left hand, okay? So now let's add together. We start with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many fingers did you count? 7 fingers. Okay? Okay. So let's look at the next one. We have 3 plus 3. So we count 3 fingers with our right hand first and 3 fingers with our left hand, okay? Are you ready? Okay, good. Let's count with our right hand the first 3. 1, 2, 3. If you've counted 3, you fold the remaining of your fingers, okay? There are remaining 2 fingers, right? You counted only 3 fingers, so the rest you fold them. Then let's count the next 3. This other 3 with our left hand. 1, 2, 3. You're done counting 3 at your left fingers, right? So now you fold the remaining that you didn't count, okay? So now you've gotten 3 at your right hand and you've gotten 3 at your left hand. What do you do next? You add them together, right? So let's add together by counting the fingers at our right hand first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6. So 3 plus 3 is going to give us 6, okay? Next we have 5 plus 5. We have done this, right? But we are going to do it again. Count your 5 fingers at your right hand and your 5 fingers at your left hand, then you add it together, right? So we have 5 fingers at our right hand and 5 fingers at our left hand, right? So let's count all of them together. Let's start with our right hand, then we continue to the left, okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have 10. Okay, so 5 plus 5 is 10. Next is 2 plus 2. You count 2 with your right hand and 2 with your left hand. The rest you fold. Okay, so let's count 2 with our right hand. 1, 2. The rest of the fingers you didn't count, you fold them. Then you count 2 at your left hand. 1, 2. You fold the rest. When you are done, you add together. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Next we have 5. 4 plus 5. You count 4 with your right hand and 5 with your left hand. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we count 5 with our left hand. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do we do next? We add them together. So let's add together. You start by counting your right hand, okay? The 4 you counted. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. You continue with your left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 plus 5 is going to give us 9. Do you understand that? Okay, good. So let's look at another example on addition. Here we have 10, 8, and 2, but there is nothing here. So we have to look for the number that should be here, right? We have here 10, 8, 2. We have to look for the number that should be here. So we are going to add all these numbers together to get the number here, okay? So it's going to be 10 plus 8 plus 2, okay? 10 plus 8 plus 2. We can count 10 with our fingers. When we are done, we count 8. And when you're done, you count 2 and add it all together. It will be quite confusing. So we use this method, okay? You write 10. Then place 8 under 10 and place 2 under 10. Under 8, sorry. Then you add together, you place them according to their place values, okay? Ones in ones, tens in tens, okay? So 0 plus 8 is going to give you 8, and 8 plus 2 is going to give you words. You can count with your fingers, you are going to get 10. So you write down 0 and carry 1, okay? You don't write 10, you write down 0 and carry 1. So 1 plus 1 is going to give you 2, okay? Do you understand? If you can't do it this way, you can count 10 strokes. You know strokes, right? You count 10 strokes, put a plus sign, count 8 strokes, you put a plus sign, and count 2 strokes. Then when you're done counting, you add all the strokes together. You are going to get your answer, okay? You are going to have 20 as your answer. Do you understand? Good. So now we are going to be looking at subtraction. We are done with addition. We are going to be looking at subtraction, okay? Remember, this is the sign of subtraction, right? It is called minus also. This can be called minus. So we're going to be using our fingers to first of all minus, okay? Remember, we used our fingers to do addition. Let's use our fingers also to do minus and see if it will work. So here we have 10 minus 4. We are going to be counting 10 with our fingers to take away 4. Remember, minus is take away, right? So we are going to count 10 with our fingers and take away 4 fingers, and then we count the remaining. Okay, so let's count 10 with our fingers. You start from the right to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're done counting 10 fingers, right? Now you take away 4 fingers. Okay? Using your right hand, you take away 4 fingers. So count 4 first. when you've done counting, you fold the 4 fingers you counted. Okay, let's count 4 from the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. You fold them. Now you're left with 1 at your right hand and the remaining 5 at your left hand, right? You add them together, you count them together. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 minus 4 is 6. Okay, do you understand? Good. Let's look at the next one. 8 minus 5 is going to give us what? You have 10 fingers, right? Now we are going to count 8 first. Okay, let's count 8, starting with our right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have counted 8 fingers. So we are going to be removing 5. Remember, it's 8 minus 5. So we have counted 8. We are going to be taking away 5 fingers. So you start from your right and count out 5 fingers. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you're done counting 5 fingers, how many fingers are left? You count how many fingers you have left. How many fingers do you have left? 1, 2, 3. So 8 minus 5 is going to give you 3. Okay, next is 6 minus 2. You have to count 6 fingers and take away 2, right? You understand? So let's count 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you take away 2 fingers. 1, 2. When you counted 2 fingers, you fold them and count the remaining, right? Let's count the remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 minus 2 is going to give you 4. Do you understand? Your next is 5 minus 4. I'm sure we're going to be able to do 5 minus 4. You count 5 fingers and take away 4. Let's count 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you take away 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. You fold them. The remaining is how many? 1. So 5 minus 4 is 1. You do the same thing with the next one. 9 minus 7. I'm sure you are going to be able to do it on your own. I'm going to direct it. You count 9 fingers and take away 7 fingers. Okay? So count 9 fingers first. Are you done counting 9 fingers? Now take away 7 fingers. What do you have left? 2, right? So 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay? So let's look at another example on subtraction. Here we have 10, 5, but there's nothing here. There's a question mark here. So we have to find the answer. So it is 10 minus 5. Okay? So we're going to be using strokes. We are done using our fingers. Let's use strokes to count. So 10 minus 5. You're going to count 10 strokes the way if you're using your fingers, you count 10 fingers and take away 5. Now we are going to be using strokes. Okay? You count 10 strokes. Let's count 10 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have counted 10 strokes. Then what do we do next? We take away 5. Okay, we have counted 10, so we have to take away 5. So let's take away 5 from the 10 strokes. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have taken away 5 strokes. So what do we do next? We count the remaining, right? We start from the side to count the remaining. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 strokes left. So 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. Do you understand that? If you are using your fingers, you count 10, right? Your fingers are 10 already. So you remove 5. When you take away 5, you count the remaining fingers and you will have 5 fingers left. Okay? Do you understand? So we understood today's lesson on addition and subtraction using our fingers, right? So I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignments. Today's lesson on addition and subtraction was easy, so the assignment is easy, right? Okay, that is good. So keep on practicing because practice makes perfect, okay?